Good morning, folks. It is snowing outside. Do you want to see what the snow looks like? Alright, I'm going to pause it and we're going to show you all this beautiful blanket of snow we have this morning. Snow everywhere. At least they plowed the road this time without knocking over the mailbox. There's the snow over the valley. And they got some cars on the road. People like Randy are crazy enough to go out in this. You want to see the little snowman? Here, let me show you the little snowman.
Hey, Granny! He's in your snowman! In the snow! Hey, snowman!
Well, there you go. Alright. Bye, everybody. I got bottled water to drink while I watch the ice form.